from How Water Shapes the Earth by Jared Siemens. How does water shape the earth? The earth is always changing. Some changes happen quickly. Some changes take place slowly over time. Water shapes the earth slowly. Water wears away rocks and soil as it flows over the land. It also moves soil and rocks to other places. How does water carve through land? Rivers and streams flow over land. They flow from high places to low places. Rivers can carve great valleys and canyons into the land over time. The Grand Canyon was made by the Colorado River about 5 million years ago. How do waves shape the land? Moving water is very powerful. Ocean waves crash into land over and over again. The waves wear down the land. This shapes the coastlines and makes cliffs. Waves also break down rock into sand. How do waterfalls shape the land? A waterfall forms where a river or stream flows quickly over a high ledge of hard rock. Waterfalls move rock and soil into a pool below. How do glaciers shape the land? Glaciers are large pieces of frozen water that move slowly over the land. They drag pieces of rock and soil along with them as they move. Sometimes when glaciers melt, they leave large rocks behind. Some rocks break apart when water freezes in their cracks. This can change the shape of mountains and the land around them. How does water destroy the land? Water changes the land quickly during natural disasters such as floods, hurricanes, and tsunamis. Floods destroy farmland by washing away the topsoil that helps plants grow. Hurricanes and tsunamis can ruin coastal cities and wash away the homes of people living there.